Good morning, friends. Myself, Basant Kumar Garg, lecturer in English, Government Senior Secondary School, Vassi, Dungarpur. In our school's YouTube channel, My Smart School, every day other teachers are giving their particular matters to the students. In this series, today I am going to tell you about the basic things of grammar. Very short, very little things you know very well about the parts of speech. You know, in our body, a lot of parts are there like hair, ear, nose, hands, legs. The combination of parts create a whole body. That is called human body. Like in grammar, 8 parts are there. 8 parts. I am not writing whole because the restriction of this board. I am going to tell you only 6. Then you can understand what is the use of these parts. Okay, first, alas, 2 ugly girls had gone. This is the sentence. I am going to divide into pieces one by one. First part, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth and seventh and eighth, etc., etc. Okay, I will tell you in my next lesson or next channel. I will tell you about this. Yeah, first part, 8 parts. First I am going to tell you what are written. First, alas. This is an exclamatory sentence. When any person realize or clear has emotion, then we use this kind of word. This is exclamatory word. First. Second, 2. 2 is a determiner. Third, ugly. Ugly is an adjective. Number 4, girls. Very simple. You know very well about naming of any person, place or thing. Is called noun. Fifth one, had. Had is a helping verb to identify or clarify the timing of any sentence. Okay. Next, gone. Gone is a verb, main verb. It defines the action of the sentence, anything. Okay. Like this, I have cleared only 6 parts of speech. Now I am going to tell you about the total 8 parts one by one. I will only tell you the main things, not the whole things. I will tell you in my next channel or next lesson one by one. First, I am going to tell you only the simple things. Okay. First part, noun. In Hindi we can say sangya. You know very well about the sangya. In English, noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Naming of a person, like examples: Ram, Gita, Ganga, America, India. Whatever you think a name of a person, place or thing is called noun. Very simple part of the grammar speech. Okay. Second one, pronoun. I am just writing two sentences. Look here. First, Ram is a boy. Second one, Ram is very intelligent. Two words are here. Ram is a boy. Ram is very intelligent. When I am going to tell about the qualities of Ram, like Ram is a boy, you know, in first sentence. Second, Ram is very intelligent. Third one, Ram is handsome. Do you feel any kind of problems here? No? Look here, Ram is a boy. I am using Ram first time. Ram is very intelligent. I am using Ram noun second time. Third, Ram is handsome. If I want to tell about the qualities of Ram, I can use like this. Ram is a boy. He is very intelligent. I can use like this. Okay. Do you feel any difference in these sentences? Look here. First, I use the name of Ram. Second time, I don't want to use Ram once again. So I am using a simple thing here, he. You know what is he? A word which is used instead of a noun, that is called pronoun. Okay, clear? I am giving next example like this. Sita is beautiful. Sita is a girl. Sita is a girl. Sita is beautiful. If I want to use a pronoun, I can use like this. Sita is a girl. She is beautiful. The word which is used instead of, I don't want to use Sita once again and every time. So I am using here she, he, she, it. This kind of words are called pronoun. Clear? Now I come to the third part of speech. Adjective. I am not going to clear you all those things. A lot of parts are there, a lot of variety, kinds of noun, kinds of pronoun. I will tell you all these things in my next lesson if you demand or call me. Okay? Adjective is a word. Adjective is a word which define or qualities qualities of a noun or pronoun. Adjective is a word which defines or clarifies the qualities of a noun or pronoun. In Hindi we can say एडजेक्टिव ऐसा शब्द है जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बाद में एक्स्ट्रा बताता है. जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन है नाम बताते हैं, किसी के स्थान पे काम आते हैं, बट इट टेल्स यू अबाउट द एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स. जब एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स की बात आती है वी यूज एडजेक्टिव. लुक हियर, he is a boy. He is here noun. Sohan is a boy. Sohan is a boy here. What is the qualities of Sohan? Look here. Intelligent. He is very intelligent. Intelligent is the quality of Sohan. So it is called adjective. एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स बताता है. सोहन की क्वालिटी, सोहन लड़का तो है, कैसा लड़का है? इंटेलिजेंट है, हैंडसम है, टॉल है, शॉर्ट है. एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी थिंग जब बताता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. ओके, अनदर एग्जाम्पल. Sita is a girl. She is beautiful. I am going to connect the sentence. Sita is a beautiful girl. सीता लड़की तो है, कैसी लड़की है? ब्यूटीफुल लड़की है. So beautiful is the adjective for used Sita. Okay. एक्स्ट्रा थिंग जब बताई जाती है नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में तो उसे हम कहते हैं एडजेक्टिव. क्लियर? नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट. वर्ब. You know very well about the verb. I think you are learning from the previous classes. First form, second form, third form, ing form, etc., etc. But I am just going to tell you what is verb. Verb is a part which tell you about an action. सिंपल वे में जो हरकत हम करते हैं उसको जब बताता है उसे कहते हैं वर्ब. इन सिंपल वे. You know very well about the verb. First form, second form, third form. We use all the verbs in create the sentence or in define the tenses. But I am just going to tell you about three main part of the verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb, and auxiliary verb. What is transitive? What is intransitive? What is auxiliary? I will clear all these things in my next lesson clearly, okay, in detail. First, I am just going to tell you what is transitive, what is intransitive, what is auxiliary verb. Transitive, जहाँ there is need of object. इन हिंदी वी कैन से जहाँ कर्म की आवश्यकता होती है उसे कहते हैं ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, आई eat. This is a sentence, small sentence. I subject, eat verb. There is need of you can ask yourself like what. I eat, मैं खाता हूँ. What? क्या खाता है? आंसर मिलता है. You get the answer. Then this is transitive verb. I eat mango, kachori, samosa, whatever you like. I eat mango. मैं आम खाता हूँ. जहाँ आंसर मिलता है हमें वो है ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. आंसर मिलता है मीन्स ये है कर्म. ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा जहाँ मिलता है वो है ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब there is no need of any kind of object. Birds fly. पक्षी उड़ता है. अपने आप से पूछिए what, क्या उड़ता है? No need to give the answer. कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है उत्तर देने की. ओके, no need of any kind of object. यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं चाहिए. Birds fly, पक्षी उड़ता है. Sentence finished. So it is called intransitive verb, जहाँ कर्म की आवश्यकता हमें नहीं होती है. ओके, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are two types: helping verbs and modal auxiliaries. Helping verbs helps to define tenses. Define tenses means काल कितने प्रकार के होते हैं, कौन सी घटना कब होती है, समय का आभास कराते हैं, वहाँ पर यूज होते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स का. सो दे आर कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. वर्ब्स की हेल्प करती हैं. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स यूज्ड इन मॉडल्स. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल इन डिटेल. ओके, आई विल टेल यू इन माय नेक्स्ट लेसन. नंबर 5. Adverb. What is adverb? You know, adjective. What is adjective? It tells us extra thing about noun and pronoun. Is called adjective. Extra things. यहाँ पर what is adverb? Adverb is a word which tells us about extra instead of noun. Instead of noun. Noun को छोड़ करके दूसरों के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ बताता है, वो है एडवर्ब. लाइक वर्ब. वर्ब तो है लेकिन उस वर्ब के बारे में भी एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ देगा, वो कहलाता है एडवर्ब. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल हियर. राम इज रनिंग फास्ट. Ram is running fast. It's not going to tell the qualities of Ram. Ram fast, no combination. Look here, run. Run is a verb. And how he is running? Fast, very fast. Clear? वर्ब की क्वालिटी दौड़ता है. कैसे दौड़ता है? बहुत फास्ट दौड़ता है. क्लियर? राम इज रनिंग वेरी फास्ट और फास्ट. It defines the variety of running. Is called adverb. अब दूसरा एग्जाम्पल भी और दे रहा हूँ. He is shouting loudly. Shout चिल्लाना, चिल्लाता है. Loudly कैसे चिल्लाता है? बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ करके चिल्लाता है. He is laughing loudly, shouting. Okay, that is shout तो कर रहा है. कैसे shout कर रहा है? बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से कर रहा है. तो ये define करता है किसको? shout को करता है. तो ये verb, shout is a verb. इसको डिफाइन कर रहा है, वैरायटी बता रहा है, कैसे कर रहा है, लाउडली कर रहा है। सो इट इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब। वर्ब की विशेषता बताने वाले को, एक्स्ट्रा थिंग बताने वाले को कहते हैं एडवर्ब। नेक्स्ट, preposition। It is clear, namely preposition। पहले पोजीशन जिसकी आती है उसको कहते हैं preposition। Where? Before the, लेकिन कहाँ? I am going to tell you about the position the duster is dash 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 the table। The duster and the table, we have to clear about the relation। First it's tell the relation or position। इसका संबंध हमें बताना है, पोजीशन बतानी है कि कहाँ है। टू नाउन्स, प्रीपोजिशन जो होता है दो नाउन के बीच में संबंध बताता है कि कहाँ पर ये स्थित है, कहाँ नहीं। ओके, फर्स्ट वर्ड द डस्टर इज आल्सो नाउन, द टेबल इज आल्सो नाउन। दोनों नाउन है, उनके बीच में संबंध को बताता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीपोजिशन। पहले वाले और दूसरे वाले के बीच में जब आता है और दूसरे वाले का पहले वाले से संबंध बताता है, उसे हम कहते हैं प्रेपोजिशन। ठीक है, प्रेपोजिशन बहुत सारे, लॉट ऑफ, लाइक इज, सॉरी, इन, ऑन, अंडर, इनटू, अक्रॉस, a lot of preposition are there। I am just going to tell you only one example or two example because I will tell you in my next lesson। okay, the duster is dash dash dash। where is the duster? If I will put the duster on the table, I will write it here on the table। this is the position। कहाँ है? ऊपर है, इसको नीचे रखूँगा अंडर। उसकी पोजीशन को बताता है, पहले वाले नाउन दूसरे वाले नाउन, संबंध को बताता है, और पहले आता है दूसरे वाले के पहले आता है प्रीपोजिशन, पोजीशन से पहले आता है, इसको कहते हैं प्रीपोजिशन। ओके, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, नंबर 7, conjunction। Conjunction is a word to connect two different style of the sentences। we can also say connectives, connective words। to connect two sentences the words are used is called conjunction, like and, because। a lot of connectives are there। I am just giving one example to clear what is the uses of this। Ram is a teacher। second sentence, Sheila is a teacher। I am going to connect the sentences। Ram, Sheila both are teachers। I am going to connect the sentence with help of and। Ram and Sheila both are teachers। so and is used to connect two sentences, so it is called conjunction or connectives। last one, Number 8, interjection. Last one. These kinds of word to express our emotions. So these kinds of words are also called exclamatory sentences. Like, someone is very happy, so we use the word hurrah. India has won the World Cup. Next, anyone dies with corona, so you can use Allah, she has gone away. Okay. Gone away with corona. So when we use our emotions, we use this kinds of words. Thank you very much. I will tell you something extra in my next lesson. That's all.